Today I'm going to show you how to take a photo from your phone that you've downloaded to your computer, your Mac, and then show you how to optimize it to upload it to your website. It's best if the photo is horizontal, wider than it is tall, because that gives you the most flexibility. It's also best to add some extra room beyond the part of the photo that you want to focus on, so you have some extra cropping room, some flexibility there. So you find your photo and open it with the preview app. And then you're going to want to crop it to whatever part of the picture that you want to show. So I'm cropping close to a square in this example because it's easy to see the dimensions and I don't have to calculate those. Then I use Tools Crop to crop it to where I have selected, and then Tools Adjust Size to make it a perfect square. I take off and uncheck Scale Proportionally. Then in this example I change the width to be exactly the same as the height, so it's an exact square. And now I'm going to adjust the size to be smaller for a website. Anywhere from 1500 to 2000 pixels is about right, and click OK. Then you want to save it using File, Save. And then you can do an extra bit of security, which is to remove the GPS information from your photo, especially if you've saved it around home. And save it again, and now we've quit preview. The next thing we're going to do is to rename it so that it has some keywords. You use your website name, like I would do Carrie A. Thompson, and then something that describes the photo for your own purposes and for keywords. And now I'm going to upload it to tinyjpeg.com, which is an online utility that will compress this file to be even better for website loading. Now I've downloaded the optimized file, and I'm going to rename that, just call it Final, so that I can distinguish it between the original that was not optimized. So when I go to my website, I will be using this version of the file and uploading it in the space where it needs to be.